Run up those likes. If you guys can get this video up to 500 likes, I'm going to announce a brand new Jordan 4 giveaway next week. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. This Air Jordan 4, for some reason, has not gone up in price. Most of the Jordan 4s that have recently released have gone up in price. Some Jordan 4s have not gone up in price yet, like the Lightning 4s. Some Jordan 4s have skyrocketed very quickly in price, like the Jordan 4 White Oreo. But today, we're gonna take a look at a pair of Air Jordan 4s that released last year that has not gone up in price. It's actually shocking, to be honest with you, because this Jordan 4 is extremely limited. The hype was through the roof. Resale was pretty high during the release. Resales dropped a little bit and has stayed stagnant ever since. This is not your typical Air Jordan 4. This is, to be honest with you, very surprising to me that this Air Jordan 4 has not gone up in price yet. I can't wait to tell you guys about this Air Jordan 4. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to stick around, subscribe to the channel, and let me tell you guys about today's video sponsor, Xenon. Xenon is a software that you guys can download on your computer that will help you cop sneakers, Supreme, any hyped item in our industry. Xenon costs $75 and you will have it for lifetime with updates as well. As of right now, Xenon is out of stock, but good news, Xenon is restocking tomorrow, Sunday. I highly recommend purchasing Xenon. It will help you increase your chances of copying sneakers, Supreme, any hyped item in our industry. If you would like to purchase Xenon, make sure you guys give them a follow on Instagram. The Lightning 4 giveaway is over. I have picked the winner. I will be shipping out the Lightning 4s over to the winner, so make sure you guys hit that thumbs up for another sneaker giveaway. Most Air Jordan 4s come in this Flight Jordan 4 box, but today's Jordan 4 does not come in this box. The Unions, guys. The Union 4s have not gone up in price. This is shocking to me. This sneaker did not release here in 2021. This is a 2020 Jordan 4 Union that has not gone up in price yet. What is going on? Let's talk about it. So last year we got two pairs of Union 4s. One pair has gone up in price. The other one has not, which is shocking to me because this is the more limited Jordan 4. I'm shocked that these have not gone up in price at all. In fact, if they've done anything, they've dropped in price. Insane. Crazy. I remember when they were about $900 to $1,000. Now they're at like $750, $800, $850 most sizes. This is crazy. What is going on with this Jordan 4? Let's talk about it. This is insane. The Jordan 4 Union in the Guava Ice colorway. If you like these, make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and let me know if I should give away a pair of these Union 4s down below in the comments. If you would like me to give away these Union 4s, make sure you hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Let's get this video up to 500 likes. The Union 4s. What is going on? Why haven't they gone up in price? Let me know your thoughts and reasons down below in the comments. There's a few reasons I truly believe these will go up in price, and I'm shocked that they haven't already. Well, let's talk about the other colorway, the Off Noir, the black colorway, the Union 4s. Those have gone up. They went up a solid like $150 in most sizes. It's more like resale dropped $150 more than actually went up $150. That's crazy. What happened with the Union 4s? Do people not care about the Union 4s like they do the Union 1s? I know the Union 1s are, you know, a grail. They're over $2,000. I know. It's still a Jordan 4, guys. Jordan 4s are becoming, in a way, the new Air Jordan 1. What is going on when it comes to the Guava Ice colorway? I'm not sure. It's shocking because, don't forget, these are a Union exclusive. These did not drop on the sneakers app. The black pair did. These are more limited, more rare. How come these have not gone up in price? If anyone has a good guess, make sure you leave a comment down below. Personally, I thought these would have gone up in price by now a solid $200. I definitely thought that. I thought by now these would be back up to $1,000, maybe $1,100, and they're not. They're around $700 to $800. $850 really tops. That's crazy. The other colorways of the Union 4s have released this year. Guys, those will go up in price. They'll take a long time. If the OGs really haven't gone up, the Guava Ice hasn't gone up, those new pairs are going to take a little bit longer. Topaz is dope. The Desert Moss colorway, I think, is not it. Those Desert Mosses are around $400 to $500 right now. I see those eventually climbing up in price, but these need to go up first. This is a shocking one to me, that these have not gone up. It's shocking to me, and it might be shocking to you guys too, that this sneaker released over 1 year ago already. Isn't that mind-blowing? Where has time gone? Over a year already, and this sneaker has not gone up in price. What is going on with Union 4s? Like I said, Off Noirs have gone up, the Guava Ice has not. One major thing about this sneaker I think is hurting the Union collaboration is the tongue. And I think that is what's drawing people away from this sneaker, and is stopping this sneaker in particular from going up in price quickly at that. We all know what happened with the Union 1s. They're over $2,000. They were not. They were $700, $800, and they went over $2,000. I don't know if the same is going to happen with this. I don't think so. I think these will get up to 1,000, but I don't know if they'll ever see 2,000 over $2,000 like the Union 1 hype is. Everything's there pretty much for the colorway to go up in price. It has the age look that is, you know, is very in style. The colorway is pretty nice. I mean, it's not my favorite. It's not my favorite shoe at all, but I think a lot of people do like the Guava Ice colorway. They have, you know, some details that people do like, don't like with, you know, the tongue and whatnot. It's a limited sneaker. It's a Union sneaker at the end of the day. If you couldn't get your hands on the 1s, the 4s might be the next best thing. I would say if you have pairs, continue to hold them. I do see them going up. If you want to sell them, and take the money and reinvest into other sneakers. That would probably be your best bet if you can go ahead and do that. But if not, go ahead and continue to hold on to pairs. They're going to continue to go up, just take, I guess, a little bit longer. I'm in it for the long run when it comes to the Union 4s, the Guava Ice colorway, and the Off Noir colorway. I'll hold my pairs and just let them continue to rise. Let me know down below in the comments, what do you guys think about the Guava Ice Union 4? Let me know your favorite Union 4 down below in the comments. Be sure to rank them. Me personally, I'm probably going to go Off Noir, Guava Ice, Topaz, and then Desert Moss. That's just my opinion. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys want me to give away a pair of these Union 4s. Big giveaway coming. Make sure you guys hit that thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Make sure you guys join the More family. Hit that subscribe button. Smash that like button. We're always on the grind. We're never gonna stop. Always dropping that fire. Straight fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. We out.